Okay. All right, I think we're good.
Yep.
Okay.
So, Natalie, you were saying you already did it?
Yes. So I have the answers, but I don't have the questions in front of me.
Well, I can read them off.
Okay, sounds good. And then if you guys disagree with the answers, just let me know.
Okay, so question 3. The symbol for the true population proportion is which of the following? And then it gives 3 symbols. So there's the P with the tilde, there's P hat and P.
So
I went with P, which is C.
Which is C?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got to double check on that. I wrote down A.
I don't think it's A. What did you get, Kyle?
I got C.
You got C? Okay, maybe, is that number 3?
Yes, number 3.
Okay, I got to double check on that then.
And the answer should just be plain P.
What was on A again?
It was P with the tilde, as if it was like in Spanish.
Okay, no, I don't think that's the one. Okay, maybe I wrote it down wrong.
Kind of like the Enye in Spanish, but over the P.
Okay, yeah, I don't think that's the right one. I probably wrote it down wrong.
Question 4, it says the requirements for constructing a confidence interval are satisfied. And then it gives us the parameters, which is n equals 100, p equals 0.25, and p hat equals 0.10.
That's true, right?
And I got true for both of those.
Yep.
For 4 and
true.
5.
4 and 5. Yep, that's what I have as well.
So I got true as well, but I just have a quick question on number 5.
Yep.
What are the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test?
I remember it went over it in the video. I think it was the second video. I can't remember exactly, but did you use the Excel tool or SPFF?
Yeah, I use the Excel tool.
Okay. It tells you on the Excel tool if your requirements are met. And that's why I answered
Where
yes.
does it say it at?
Are you under one sample z-test for a proportion?
Yeah, I'm under one proportion.
Do you see where it says hypothesis test requirements? And confidence interval requirements?
Oh, so both are greater than 10, then you're good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the 2 requirements are just lower bound and the upper bound, like when you times them. Or not the lower bound, upper bound, but when you times the plus or minus by n, you get over 10, right?
I'm not sure. It says n p hat is greater than 10, or n 1 minus p hat is greater than or equal to 10.
Okay.
And it actually has to hit both of those parameters for it to fit.
Right. And is that for the confidence interval or is that for the hypothesis test?
That's for the hypothesis test requirement.
Okay. All right, we're on number 6.
Yeah. Natalie, you on the run?
Oh, sorry. You guys can hear my slippers? Sorry. I was trying to get a pen.
It sounds like you're being chased right now.
Oh, terrible.
No problem. Okay, question 6. It says find p hat, the point estimate of the proportion of first-degree murders defendants who are found guilty in this state.
I got 0.75.
Yeah.
Yeah, 0.75.
I calculated this by hand and got 0.75, and then I put it into the applet, and I got the same thing. So I'm pretty sure it's that.
Yep.
Okay. Then number 7, determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval. For number 7, I got 0.75 as well, but I'm not sure if I did that one right.
I did. I have 0.044.
0.044?
What did you have, Spencer?
So I didn't answer that one yet, but the margin of error, isn't that the you just use everything. So it says there's the point estimate, right? Which is p
Yeah.
hat. No, hold up. That's for the. How did you solve the margin of error?
I did it with the formula. Sorry, I don't have my, but I know there was a
Where it's
formula.
p top hat plus or minus z.
Yes, yes.
Now,
And then
did you?
the
Isn't it
95%
just the portion to the right, or do you use all of it?
No. So wait, I thought the margin of error is m equals z multiplied
Oh,
by.
I
Yeah.
thought
So that's just a
wasn't that the sample size?
sample size. I don't. Sure. Let me look into my notes right now. I
Okay,
emailed it to myself.
nice.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I wasn't sure on that one, so I didn't answer it.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, let me see if I can figure it out a different way.
How did you do it, Kyle? You just
I just did. I added the confidence interval together and then divided by 2.
oh shoot, where did I put it? Divided by 2.
I thought that was
the
the formula, but I'm
sorry.
not sure.
Oh wait, I found it
Oh,
right
it's
here in
not
my notes.
formula
So
was m equals c multiplied by standard deviation. Oh, go
yeah,
ahead.
I just found it. So it's n equals, and then on top it's the z-score. So you use what's corresponding to the 95%, which is
1.96.
1.96 divided by 2 times m. So what is m?
M isn't it m the margin? Oh, is it? Oh wait, NP mean. What the heck is this?
What would be m in this?
Sorry, I'm trying to pull up my work. Where did I put it at? Because n is the sample. I thought m was the margin. But that can't be because we're looking for it right now. It's not the mean? No, the mean is that we're looking.
He did an example in the video, and in the example that he did in the video, it said right there what m was, but it doesn't tell us in this one.
Oh, I didn't watch the video this time. I actually went to a tutor because this one was really. Where did I put it? M is equal m.
Let me do like Control F in the notes. Margin of error.
Okay.
So yeah, it gives me the same formula, which is n equals z, the critical value divided by 2m squared.
2m. See, I always thought the m was the margin of error, and then we have to find for the n, which is the sample size, and then we just have to rearrange it.
Actually, I just found it right here. So when it says if you're 95% confident, m will equals 0.03. So that's what we'll plug in there.
The m?
Yeah, m would be 0.03.
0.03. Let's see. Lesson 16.
And then that's squared.
Oh. Hmm.
Okay, so I got an answer for this.
What is your answer?
1067.
For the margin of error?
That doesn't make much sense either. Maybe that's the sample size required.
Yes, and then
So I have
Because that doesn't sound like a margin of error.
239.
So we're doing number 7, which is.
So the formula I got for margin
Oh.
of error is M equals Z score times the square root of P times 1 minus P over N.
Where did you find that formula?
Let me see. So less than 17. I just searched margin of error.
Are you under 3 sample? No, that's sample size calculation.
It says 3 sample size calculations.
That's where I'm at right now.
And then the first one says the formula for margin of error is, and it gives you a formula. So it's right above the formula that you're looking at.
Okay, yeah, I see it now. Margin of error. M equals Z squared. Okay, let me try and plug that in. What problem are we working on again?
Number
7.
6. Oh, 7.
Okay, so
I don't know if I use
what
that.
did you get for P? What number? 45? In the formula that you plugged in was P 45?
Oh, I used the wrong one. I didn't use the p-value, so that's incorrect. I don't think P. It might be 45. I don't know how to calculate the p-value.
Oh, I think. Yeah, it's 45. And then the sample size is 60.
Right.
So let me see.
Oh. Oh. Okay, 7. We're on number
Okay,
7.
so I got a margin of error of 11.259.
11.25.
But I'm not sure if I did it right either. So maybe.
Wait,
Did you check your answers yet, Natalie, or did you just plug it in?
No, I didn't. Yeah, I just and then I put what do you call? I can reverse to my computer right now, plug it in, and see if I got it right. You guys want to hold on for a little bit? I mean, I can still get service from my desk. It's just a little. It's all the way on the top.
I'm not sure what she's saying.
We're just gonna go to her desk to see if we can submit it.
Oh, okay. But I mean, 11 seems like a really big margin of error.
Yeah, so the P is the proportion.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out what that means. Like,
I think it's 45 in this case. Because P hat, that's the point estimate. While P is more like almost like the mean.
right, but if you remember in the example, it says sample size was 100 and P was 0.25. And like question 3 or 4.
Mm-hmm.
And so I was trying to think if it was like a quarter of one of the samples, a quarter of it did it. You know what I mean? Like,
Okay, number 7 is wrong. So I got number 7 wrong.
Okay. I can try mine. 11 point.
I'm looking at my emails right now and to see how I did it. Let's see.
All right, so let's skip that one for right now.
Yeah.
Number 8, you got 0.640.
Number 8, yes. 0.640.
Did you get that, Kyle?
Number 9 is
0.640 for number 8, yeah.
And
yeah.
0.860
Number 9 is yes, that's correct. 10 is decrease. 11 is 20. 12 is
You got
100.
20 for 11? Sorry, I didn't hear
Yes.
you. Okay, that's
Oh,
what
sorry.
you got.
20 for 11. Can you guys hear me? Sorry, I'm at my desk right now, so it's a
Yeah.
little.
What did you say what you got for 12?
100.
Yep.
Okay. 13 is true.
Yep.
14 is 0.475.
I got 0.563 on that one.
Yeah,
Did you get
so
that one
the
right?
answer, yes.
14?
0.4. Yeah.
What is it?
0.475.
So to do that, don't you just take p divided by n? Or x divided by n?
So on 14, I got 0.475. Oh yeah, 0 point. Sorry, I thought you said 0.0. Yeah, I got the same as you.
So you got 0.047?
I got 0.475. 0.475.
But, oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah. I was confused about what she was saying, but
I thought it's just, you take n divided by x.
it's x over n.
X over n.
Yeah.
So 38 divided by 80.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, you're pretty much finding the percentage. The p hat is just basically the percentage, like what score you got out of that number.
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh.
And then for 15, I got negative 2.282.
So I got that one wrong, but I think it's supposed to be a negative. So I got 2.282, but I put it as a positive.
Okay,
Yeah, I got negative 2.82.
Oh, I'm so okay. Negative 2.82.
2.282.
A 282, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then 0.011 for 16.
I got 0.996.
I got 0.989.
So 16 is 0.011. 16.
But did you get that one right? I was just looking off of the applet that they have.
Yeah, I got that one right.
What was it?
0.011. Hello, can you guys hear me?
0.011?
Hello. Yes. 0.011.
Okay, that's weird because it gives you like a value for the p-value that just must not be calculated, right?
So
on the applet.
Are you using the spreadsheet or the applet?
The Excel document.
I'm in my meeting right now.
Let me see. What was the X for that?
38.
38, and then
80.
80.
N was 80.
And it's a 95 percentile.
Let me see. Where does it say?
Where's it at?
Does it even say?
I think it does.
So 7.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
alpha equals 0.05. So yeah,
divided wrong.
0.95.
Is you have to make sure that the type of test is on the right settings, like less than or greater than or not equal to.
On the what Excel, right?
On the Excel spreadsheet, yeah.
Yeah. Wait,
Because
sorry.
whenever I figured it, I got 0.011. I just had it greater than instead of less than.
Well, I switched it to that, and I still get 0.000.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I got X is 38, N is 80. Sorry?
your null hypothesis is 0.6?
Nope.
What is your null hypothesis then?
Okay, now I got it. Yeah, now it says 0.11.
Where are we at? 17, right?
Yeah.
Or 16 still?
17.
Yeah. That one is reject the null hypothesis.
So 17 and 18. So what are we looking for here when we reject the null hypothesis?
So when we reject it, it means it's what you call it's true, right? Bye, Millie. See you tomorrow.
Right, but like, what value are we looking for?
You compare the p-value to the alpha value.
Yeah.
So like alpha would be 0.05.
0.05, yeah. Mm-hmm.
But it would be reversed if your p-value was greater than the 0.05, but it's only 0.011.
Okay, so if it's less than the level of significance, then you reject.
Then you fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
Yeah. So question 18, I got it wrong, but I put down C, but I'm thinking it's supposed to be D. What do you guys have?
I haven't answered that one yet. Hold up, let me read it.
Yes,
Which of the
please.
following best summarizes the conclusion of this test? There is insufficient evidence to conclude that water quality is.
Oh, sorry. I mean, A, I think. Sure.
I think it's A.
I'd agree with that.
Because I wrote down C, which is to conclude the water quality in the has decreased.
I'll
Why
go
did
ahead
I write
and check it.
Yeah, so I think on A, it's that one because we're saying that there's not enough. The hypothesis was that the water is decreased. The quality is decreased.
I got 18 wrong. It's not A and it's not C.
Oh, so shoot.
We also got the margin of error wrong.
The margin of error?
Yeah, that was
wrong.
Yeah,
that's the one that I had.
What did you put down for the margin of error?
11 point something, 11.259.
What question is that again?
7.
7.
Okay, so I'm looking at my notes. And then N minus P equals 13. 0.06. Why?
I'm going to try B on the number 18.
Okay.
B on number 18. And then 7.
So that is wrong. It's not B.
So it's got to be D.
Yeah, and then
so D.
The margin of error.
7 is the only one.
So I missed margin of error as well, and I put 0.024. I used the p-value in the formula, and that's not right.
Okay, why in the world did I? N minus. What was your N again? What did you guys have as your N as your sample?
For
was it 40?
7, I think it's 60.
60. It's so weird. My spreadsheet does not match my answer. I have 0.06 in my workouts, where I worked out the answer, but I have. What in the world was I doing last night? Let's see.
Do you guys know anything about that final project that we have to do?
Oh yeah, we got to start working on that.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you guys about that as well. I don't know anything about it.
So I was just reading about it that we just have to each person has to do a certain part inside for the group project. So I was
is it a group project?
Yeah, it is. Everyone has their own little. I guess there's like 5 or
Isn't there
4
something
sections.
due this week though?
I don't think there's anything due this week. I think it's just the or wait.
I
Let
think
me
it's
double
due on
check.
the 7th, but we're supposed to start it this week.
Yeah, July. So all I saw was that there's different things. It's like the design, the study, report, quiz. That's the one that's due on this. Refine a project overview. Yeah, so there's 6 parts to it, I guess. So design the study, collect the study, make interference, take truth in action.
I'm gonna look up that margin of error thing again real quick.
Okay.
Hello? Negative 2.82. True PC. True. Kyle, Spencer, you guys still there?
Yeah, we're here.
Oh, sorry. What's going on right now?
I'm trying to figure out 7.
I'm going back to 7.
Oh. So n 1 minus p plus equals 10. Okay, let's do 7. Create a 95%. 3
I'm just trying to figure out what p would be in the formula.
I know it's a decimal. Well, I don't know it's decimal. I'm pretty sure it's decimal.
Okay.
So they give us a
for a true proposition of first degree murder trials.
so it's oh maybe it's on the applet.
I'm sorry. I'm
So n is 60. Is 60. X is 45.
sorry. What's up? Are you leaving at 5? Are you leaving soon?
I gotta leave at 5, but I need to.
Oh, okay. Is it just the 2 of us left?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry, did you need anything? Sorry, I'm on my group quiz thing. Sorry. You want to email me?
Yeah, I'll email you.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a good night. Sorry.
I don't know how to figure out what p is. I know how to get p hat.
Yeah, me
You
too.
give us a formula for that.
Okay. Where's my book at?
I would think it's just 45, isn't it?
I think that's X, not P.
I know, I think it's x, but what would p then be?
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I think P might be 0.018, but that sounds too small.
Why would it be that?
See, I have P as
That's the P value if you do
0.25.
a two-sided test. That's the P value.
You did what?
If you did like the two-sided test,
Uh-huh.
it's not equal to, but I guess the null hypothesis, we don't have one, so I don't know. That's probably not right. Let me Google it really quick.
What do you guys have as your p-value?
We have no
I
idea.
don't know.
Oh. So
We're trying to figure out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my math. Math, where are you? Week 9, week 9. Week 9. So the question is, progress quizzes. Lesson 9. Unit 1. Week 7, okay, week 9.
So are you ready to eat? What?
14.
But do you want me to make you a plate?
Yes. Okay, for the love of heaven, I can't even figure this out.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm about to just give up on it.
Yeah. Oh.
Maybe Lucky will know.
I know.
Oh,
Where is that?
Natalie.
Yeah.
So on week 13, we all got zeros on the group participation. And then
Yes, because I put in the wrong thing. Yes, I know. Sorry. I emailed him to him. He changed your grade, right?
No, he didn't change it.
Oh, what happened? Group 13. Hello?
Hello?
Group on the third. He gave me a 10.
Oh, okay. So
He
I
changed it.
I emailed him and he said that you still need to upload it, and that was less than a week ago. Could you give him an email and just because he changed
Oh,
your.
I did.
Can you send him
Yeah,
another
I did.
email and just tell him everyone that was in the group?
I thought I
Because
just
the
emailed
rest
him.
of us still have zeros on it.
Oh, for reals?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna send him right now. This guy, he takes forever to answer.
Yeah.
Because I even posted the correct link on the discussion because the assistant reached out. So that's how I was able to.
Yeah, and he was still giving me a hard time about it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I found for number 7, it's 0.11.
0.11.
Yeah.
How did you?
And I found that 2 different ways actually. One is I use the p hat value, for the formula, so 0.75.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Instead of P?
Instead of P, I choose the P hat number. And then also I took the other way I found it, which was quicker, is if you take like the lower bound and go to the P hat value, it's 0.11, or if you go from the upper bound and go down to the P hat value, it's 0.11 difference for both of those.
Oh.
So
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's a coincidence that they were both the same number, but they're both 0.11 for both of those. And that was the answer for number 7.
I don't believe in coincidences.
Okay, thank you, Kyle. And I've already emailed our teacher. I don't know.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, you guys have a good night. And about the group quiz, okay, maybe we can collaborate through what do you call it? If there's anything that we need to do on our end, because I didn't really read through it, but
I still
maybe
have to read over it.
Yeah,
okay.
me too.
All right, sounds
If
good.
needed to, we can just have another meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
All right.
Thanks. You guys have a good night.
See you guys Monday? Wait.
Yeah,
Yes.
see you Monday.
What is today?
Oh shucks, I totally forgot.
Today's
So I'm
Wednesday,
gonna be
right?
in Australia next week, so I won't be able to meet for those 2.
You're going to Australia now? You live in Hawaii and now you're going to Australia?
Yes, I'm gonna be I'm going on vacation, so I'm not gonna be here next week. So I'm gonna be in Australia next week. So sorry, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to see if about the time difference.
Sounds good to me.
I'll send you guys chocolates.
Yeah, if I was in Australia, I would be ditching you guys too. It's all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Enjoy your vacation.
Okay.
See you later, Kyle.
Thank you. Bye.
See you guys.
All right. Bye.